Hey guys, let's see how to use an iPhone as a webcam for a Mac. Super simple. Just come here to the settings and then go down to General. And here look for AirPlay and Continuity. Tap on it and select here Continuity Camera. Just make sure that's enabled here and you're good to go. Now you just come here to your Mac. For example, when you try to use a zoom, you come here to the Zoom Workplace settings or whatever software you're using there. Video and effect, and here you can change your camera. You see here that I have an iPhone camera. I can just put it here and it's working. Okay, just select the camera that I have here, the FaceTime camera, iPhone camera, whatever. You see here the connection option. Okay, the indication that's connecting to your MacBook Pro, so it's basically working as a webcam. So pretty simple. That's the way you can connect an iPhone to a Mac and use it as a webcam. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your comments, and I see you in the next one.